Hello everyone. Our new cue card is describe a person who helps others in his or her spare time. You should say who the person is, how often this person helps others, how this person helps, why this person helps, how do you feel about this person. Let's discuss our answer now. Our first point is who the person is. Although the world has become materialistic with the passage of time, there are still some individuals who are engaged in philanthropic activities, and one such person who is familiar with me is none other than Mr. David. He is my uncle who lives in Chandigarh. Currently, he is working as a manager in a renowned company. So there is a sentence starting with although in order to prove your grammatical range. Instead of just saying that people do social work, try to make this sentence more effective by saying that individuals who are engaged in philanthropic activities. Engaged means involved and philanthropic means social work. The synonyms for renowned are famous, popular, and well known. And please note that you can use any name here and any city which you like. Our next point is how often this person helps others. Let's answer this point. He is always ready to lend a helping hand and never denies whenever anyone approaches him. Even if someone knocks at his door at night, he never refuses to help. Since he is free during the weekends, he spends his whole day in social work. Lend a helping hand is an idiom, so wherever you want to use the word help, replace it with lend a helping hand. Refute means to deny, means he never denies. Another sentence to show your grammatical range is starting with since. Let's move to the next point now. Next point is how this person helps. My uncle helps the people in many ways. Firstly, he has arranged free tuition classes for the poverty stricken children. Also, he is running an NGO and provides food, shelter, and clothes to the underprivileged. Poverty stricken means poor children, and then there is a present perfect tense in order to show your grammatical range. Moreover, he doesn't only focus on providing food and clothes, but he is also working towards equipping them with all the necessary tools such as quality education, healthcare, as well as safety and security. Our next point is why this person helps. He helps the needy on humanitarian grounds, and he has got these ethics and education from his parents which inspire him to do this noble task. Being a religious person, he knows that helping others is a charity and it is the duty of all the people to help whenever anyone is in need. Humanitarian means trying to make people's lives better and reduce their suffering. Ethics means moral values, so you can also say moral values instead of ethics. Inspire means motivates, encourages, so any word can be used here. Our last point is how do you feel about this person? Once I had a word with him, and he used to tell me that it gives him the contentment which can never be obtained from materialistic things. I really feel blessed and proud to have such a magnanimous personality in my life. He is my role model and I hope to be like him in the future. Had a word means I talked to him. Contentment means satisfaction. Obtained means to get something. And magnanimous means kind, generous, and forgiving. So, this is all about our cue card. If you like the video, please like and comment and also subscribe for more IELTS videos.